All right, guys. So, at this point, the entire stock market is taking a beating right now. The S&P's down, the Nasdaq's down the most, down almost 3%. The VIX is up 18%, and we have GameStop surprisingly holding up pretty well today. I mean, guys, don't get me wrong. It's in the red, down over 4%, but you would think on a day like today, GameStop would be collapsing. So we have to break down the charts here, do an update as it has been a little bit since our last update, and we'll go over what I'm looking to do with GameStop and maybe some other stocks at the end of the video. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and guys, do not forget to get up to 20 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit, and this offer is exclusive to this YouTube channel, guys. So use that link down below or go to stocks.com/Moomoo, and for a limited time to make this deal even better, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which is an absolute no-brainer. So get on it, use that link down below, and with that being said, let's dive right into the video. So GameStop stock is down, like I said, over 4% on the day, but you would think it would be worse considering, the 18% up move for the VIX, all the indexes getting squashed, and no, it's not that bad. Down over 4%, only $1 in the red, pretty much still holding the mid-20s right now, and you guys can see, obviously, we're taking out the lows from yesterday. Yesterday, we hit about 24.90 in the morning. We rallied up to about 25.70 by the end of the day, and of course, we're taking those lows out, but if I pull the 5-day up, you guys can see it's not that bad. We're still pretty much above the lows from Monday morning in the pre-market. We were pretty much right where we are right now at about 24.50, and on this 10-day chart, you guys can see we do have a descending triangle, which isn't the best sign for the bulls in the short term. We'll see if that plays out. You guys can see we have lower highs being made into this support level at about 24.50, right? And this was looking really good, man, heading into the middle of July. You guys can see we hit almost $30 per share. In fact, we were 1 penny, 1 cent away from hitting that point. But we got hit aggressively, and now we've given back all the gains. I mean, look, we ran up from 24.50 to about $30 rather. You guys can see about 21% up move there, and now we've given back that entire gain, and we do have that descending triangle, like I said, and a head and shoulders that pretty much play it out, right? You guys can see on the 20-day 1-hour chart, the head and shoulders has pretty much played out, and even if this descending triangle plays out and we get a little more downside, all right, maybe it goes down to $23, I feel like the down move has already been made. I don't know, call me crazy, but I feel like this down move has already been made. The sellers are getting exhausted here. And sure, it might go down to $22. It's possible, but I feel like a rebound could be right around the corner. We're not getting it quite yet. We're not seeing the confirmation on the charts quite yet, but I feel like around the corner, we could be seeing that. We could be seeing that, maybe a move back towards the high 20s, mid-high 20s could be next, but we just have to wait for the confirmation. And you guys know, this stock has been holding the mid-20s for months. I mean, you can see here if I zoom in on, well, maybe not months, but weeks rather, a month and a half, we've been chopping around the mid-20s, right? Between $23 to $28 per share. And it looks like every time GameStop has gotten down to about $23, $24, $22.50, $22.80, right? That general range, we've rallied. So I'm not all in GameStop by any means. In fact, I don't own any shares or any options right now, but I'm considering it with the speculative side of my portfolio if we do get down a little bit more, maybe down to 23.50, I might pick up some shares or some call options. We shall see. And Roaring Kitty, the guy behind the movement, right, the leader of the GameStop movement, this guy's been MIA. He's been quiet. Nobody's heard from him for about a month. And the fact that the stock is holding steady at about 24 bucks in the month that we haven't heard from this guy, that's a very good sign. And that goes to show the strength of the GameStop shareholder base. It shows the strength of the stock in the low mid-20s. People aren't willing to sell quite yet at this level. Now, I mean, if Kitty came out and said, oh, I sold half my position, or I'm planning on selling, or anything like that, all right, maybe the stock will go under 20 bucks at that point. But as long as people are still speculating that he's in the stock, he's holding at his average cost at about 23, 24 bucks, whatever it's at, this stock is going to continue to hold this level, in my opinion. I just can't see, I mean, I could be wrong, but I can't see this thing collapsing to the teens again, the low teens especially if Kitty is still in the stock. He's still holding on. I just don't see it happening, because the reality of the matter is, guys, let's be honest, the investor base behind GameStop, they follow Roaring Kitty. So if this guy's in, they're in. If he's selling out, some of them are still going to be in, but a good amount of them are going to follow him in selling out. Let's be honest. That's how it is, right? So, yeah, I mean, look, it's been holding the mid-20s, pretty nice, pretty steady. And, you know, we'll see if this guy ever wants to update us again and maybe start another rally. Time will tell. But what do you guys think about that? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And by the way, I started a weekly email completely free every single Monday. I'm emailing you right to your inbox my top 3 stock picks for the week. We'll break down the charts, why I'm watching these stocks. We'll do a little written, excerpt about these stocks. So check it out. Link down below. It's completely free. No spam emails. Sign up to it. You guys won't regret it. This is a new thing that I'm starting. I'm very excited about it. So check out the list, the email list down below. Make sure you guys join that. And yeah, GME looking pretty interesting here. We'll see how it plays out moving forward. And we have AMC tanking today, down 8%. This looks like it was trying to break out. You know, we had that inverse head and shoulders. Didn't play out. Now we're back under the moving averages, completely dumping. Looks like a falling knife now, actually, guys. I mean, look at that red candle there on the 4-hour. And now it looks like AMC's going back to the mid-4s, maybe low 4s for that matter if it gets really beaten down. But yeah, AMC's not looking good. The entire meme stock movement, not that it's dead forever, but right now it's for sure hibernating. We'll see how that plays out. And by the way, AMC, they're set to report earnings pretty soon here on the 2nd of August. So about a week and a couple days away, or a week and a day from now, we're going to get AMC's earnings, which we'll see how they play out, how those turn out. So what do you guys think about GameStop, AMC, the entire stock market? And like I said in the intro, this could have been way worse considering the VIX is up as much as it is. The indexes are crashing. GameStop could easily be down 10%, 15% today, but it's not. That goes to show the strength of the investor base. It's pretty strong in my opinion. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Make sure to subscribe. And don't forget to get up to 20 stocks from Moomoo, guys, with at least a $100 deposit. And your uninvested cash for a limited time can earn up to 8.1% APY. Check out that link down below, or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo, and feel free to check out my Patreon for my updates every single week to my portfolio with real money. Check it out down below. And with that being said, I'll catch you later.